what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making borax crystals. So to make borax crystals, you're going to need 1.5 cups of hot water, some nail polish, some string, some pipe cleaners, a paddle pop stick, a spoon to stir, some sticky tape, a cup or container, and some borax. So let's get started. Here I've got my pipe cleaners rolled up together in a tight coil, and I attached some string to one end to hang it in. So now what we're going to do is pour our hot water into our cup and put our borax in until the borax kind of collects at the bottom, so we know that our water can't hold any more borax. So let's just do that. So I got my cup here, I got my water, my hot water, and I'm just going to pour my hot water into my cup. Okay. Now I'm just going to use my spoon to get some borax into my cup, and then I'm going to stir. So I'm just going to add a couple spoons of borax and then mix it until I can see, and keep adding it until I can see the borax collect at the bottom. Now that we can hear the small borax crystals collecting at the bottom, we can go on to dunking our coil into our solution. So the first thing that I'm going to do is use some of my sticky tape and tape the end of the string onto my paddle pop stick. And I'm just going to make sure that's in the right center. Okay, now it's taped. I'm just going to put it in, and I want it to rest in the middle of the solution. So I'm just going to use my paddle pop stick to fold it up so that the pipe cleaner does not touch the bottom of the solution. So now what I'm going to do is let it rest for overnight, or what you can do is let it rest for 8 hours. It's been 2 days and my borax crystals have grown. On the first day I wasn't satisfied of how big our crystal was. So now we're going to take it out and then coat it in some nail polish after it has dried. So I'm just going to take it out here, and I'm going to get my crystal over here, and I'm going to squirt it with a little bit of water just to clean it off. You can still kind of see the pipe cleaner, but it has a nice shape. So now I'm just going to let it dry, and then once it's finished drying, I'm just going to coat it in some nail polish to protect it. So now that our borax crystal has dried off, we can go on to putting our clear nail polish over our borax crystal to protect it. So what I'm going to do now is just going to give my borax crystal an entire coating all over, so that it's protected from any little things that might harm it. So I'm just going to start with the top and work my way down. My borax crystal went very well, and it's already dry, so it's very pretty. It's nice and shiny, and it has multiple crystals. I'm very happy with the shape, so you can make it at home yourself. So anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you on my